Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to Proformance Unlimited. What we have on the test stand here is a 302 Ford base engine. My real purpose for this video is to tell you about this engine, but not only about that, it's more about the EFI system. Today, the guys still want a lot of these old style motors, but they want them fuel efficient, and they don't want to play with chokes on the carburetors anymore. So, we got a lot of different fuel injection systems. This happens to be one of the Phytech systems. These Phytech systems are very easy systems once you know and learn a little bit about them. But the most important thing is, once you tune these things, and Matt's a great tuner, put them in the car, turn the key, they fire up, they go up to high RPM, come down to about 750, 800, wherever we set it. We can set where we want our AFRs to come in at. We can set a lot of different parameters to make the engine run more efficient. And that's what we're here about doing, is making a great motor run fuel efficient and not have the hassle that you have with a carburetor. So again, if you're interested in any one of our style motors, give us a call, 1-800-267-3940. Remember one thing, the proof is in the performance. Thank you. All right, Tim, got your 1958 Ford Custom 300. It's a 302 with an EFI on here, Phytech system. There we go. Idle comes up, nice, and goes back down, real nice. All right, let's give it a roll.